If you're looking to include client-specific metrics and research in your proposals, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to seamlessly integrate these elements into your proposals to make them more compelling and personalized. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to create proposals that grab your client's attention and show them you've done your homework. First, let's talk about the importance of client-specific metrics. When you personalize your proposals with actual data, it shows your client that you understand their business and their challenges. Start by pulling data from their website, industry reports, or any previous conversations you've had. For example, if you know they've been struggling with customer retention, find data on their current retention rates, then compare it with industry standards. This immediately establishes credibility and relevance. Next, you want to do your research. Take a deep dive into your client's industry. What trends are emerging that might affect their business? What challenges are other companies in the same sector facing? Integrating these insights into your proposal shows that you're not just pitching a generic solution, you're positioning yourself as a knowledgeable partner. To take this a step further, use benchmarks and competitor analysis. For instance, if you're proposing a digital marketing strategy, compare their current performance to that of key competitors. If their competitors have seen a 20% increase in web traffic through SEO, and you can propose a plan that would help them do the same, you're giving your proposal both context and value. Once you've got your metrics and research, be sure to highlight them strategically within your proposal. Don't bury the data in the middle of a long paragraph. Instead, place it front and center in the most relevant sections of your proposal. This might be in the current state or challenges section, or even within the proposed solution where you show how your strategy will improve their metrics. A powerful way to present these metrics is by using visuals. Charts, graphs, and tables are all great ways to show the impact of the data. This doesn't just make it more digestible, it makes it more persuasive. Visual aids help drive the point home and allow your client to quickly understand the value of your solution. Now, I've tested some of the most popular software for proposal creation, and in the description below, I've linked to a free trial of software we'll be using today. This exclusive free trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it while you can and follow along with these tips. One thing I highly recommend is automating parts of this process, especially if you're creating multiple proposals. With the right software, you can integrate live data feeds and generate custom proposals at scale, saving you time while still delivering value-packed personalized content. As a quick recap, the key to including client-specific metrics and research in proposals is 1. Pull relevant data that speaks directly to the client's pain points. 2. Dive into industry trends and challenges to add depth to your research. 3. Use benchmarks and competitor analysis to show how your solution stacks up. 4. Present the data clearly and visually, ensuring it stands out. Key takeaway: always make your proposal client-specific. Research, metrics, and a tailored approach are what will set you apart from the competition. By including these elements, you're not just selling a solution, you're positioning yourself as a trusted advisor who's invested in their success. Don't forget, grab the exclusive free trial in the description below and start making your proposals more impactful today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your proposals.